Good morning, dear students. I am Dr. Manish Patkar, and today we will discuss one of the topic of engineering physics and its application, and that is statics. In statics, there is one very important theorem, and that is known as the Lami's theorem. And the statement of Lami's theorem is that if three concurrent coplanar forces are acting at a point, and that point is in the condition of equilibrium, then each force is directly proportional to the sine of angle of between other two forces. Means F1 is proportional to k sine alpha, F2 is proportional to k sine beta, F3 is proportional to k sine gamma. Then k equal to F1 upon sine alpha equal to F2 upon sine beta equal to F3 upon sine gamma. Means by the Lami's theorem, F1 upon sine alpha that is equal to the F2 upon sine beta and that is equal to F3 upon sine gamma. Then in this chapter we will take the application of some numericals on this Lami's theorem. Here is the first numerical. An electric light fixture whose weight is 15 Newton hangs from a point C by two strings AC and BC. This one. These two strings are AC and BC, and this light, this bulb is hanging by using these two strings. Okay, first string is fixed on the slab and second one is on the wall. The string AC is inclined at an angle 60 degree to the horizontal. This angle AC, which is inclined at an angle 60 degree with the horizontal, this is making an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal, and BC is 45 degree to the horizontal, and this string BC is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to the horizontal as well as vertical. Okay, using Lami's theorem, determine the force in the string AC and BC. Now we will have to calculate the force in these two strings AC and BC. Now first what we have to do, first we will have to draw the free body diagram, and this one is the free body diagram at the point C. As this the weight of this lamp is acting downward direction, then in these two string there would be tension. Now suppose we are assuming that the tension in the string is TAC, TCA, and tension in the string CB is TCB. Okay, and we are cutting these two strings from here and we are drawing a large view. This is the enlarged view, and this is known as the free body diagram at joint C. Okay, now this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. If we draw a horizontal line from here, then this angle would be 60 degree. This angle is 45 degree and this angle would be 45 degree. Okay, so here we can see that this angle would be 45 degree, this angle is 60 degree, this one angle is 60 degree, this one angle would be also 60 degree. These two are alternate angles, 60 degree and here 60 degree, this 60 degree. This angle is from here to here, this angle is 90 degree. So 60 plus 90 means this is 150 degree. Okay, now this angle is 45 degree. If we draw one line here, then this angle is 90 and this angle would be also 45 degree. This string CB is inclined at an angle 45 degree with the horizontal. This angle would be 45 degree, and from here to here this angle is 90 degree. So 90 plus 45, that is 135 degree. So CB, CB, CA, CA, and this is the cell width of the bulb light fixture. Okay, this angle is 150 degree, this angle is 135 degree, and the remaining angle would be 360 minus 150 minus 135, that is 75 degree. Now we can apply Lami's theorem here. So 15 divided by sine of angle between other these two forces means sine 75 degree, that is equal to TCA upon sine 135, that is equal to TCB upon sine 150. These three equations we have. Now we know this, as 15 is constant, sine 75 degree, this is also constant. So this is the first part, this one is the second, and this one is the third. If we equate these two, 15 upon sine 75, that is equal to TAC upon sine 45. Then we can calculate the value of TAC, and that is 10.98 Newton. And if we equate TBC upon sine 30, that is equal to 15 upon sine 75 degree, then we can calculate the TBC, and the tension in the string BC comes out to be 7.76 Newton. So in these type of problems, first we will have to draw the free body diagram for any joint. Okay, and then we can apply the Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem is only applicable when there are three forces, coplanar concurrent forces, are acting at a point, and the nature of these three forces are same. Means this one is the tensile force, 15 Newton. So TCP and TCA, these two also must be tensile force. Means the nature of forces, nature of all these three forces must be same. Okay, तो ये चीज आप याद रखिएगा. Now the second numerical is